Hello, I'm Ahmad. I am student at UNES Sarana Informatika University. Today, I want to explain some materials about inside the computer and hardware. At first, I want to explain some things about hardware and software. But because the explanation is too bit long, I want to explain the hardware first. Because I want to you understand what is being explained. Oh yeah, the rest you can see in the following the description. Jadi, enjoy you watch. Alright, let's go straight into this discussion. First, inside computer. The word computer refers to an object that can accept some input and product some output. In fact, the human brain itself is a sophisticated computer and scientists are learning more about how it works with each passing years. On most common use, the word computer to is described an electronic device containing a microprocessor. If you know a microprocessor is just like semiconductor, if you heard about TSMC in Taiwan, you must know semiconductor is functionally in central processing unit or the CPU on the computer and other electronic device like handphone and each other or smart TV. Okay, next. When you hear about the PC or the computer, you probably envision an enclosed device with attached video screen, keyboard, and soft touch or the pointing device like mouse or touchpad. You might also envision different from the personal computers such as desktop computers, towers, laptop, and handhelds. The term PC has been associated with Kentel brands, such as Interprocessor or Microsoft operating system. Initially, computer with hoods taking up the launch room with the attached terminal, allowing access by multiple users. In the 1917, a man named Ed Roberts began to sell computer kit based on microprocessor chip designed by Intel. Robert called his computer the Atari 18800 and sold the unassembly kits for $395. Popular Electronic learned story about the kit in this January in 1975 issue. In I'm sorry, and to the surprise to just about everyone, the kids become the inside hits. This the era the personal computer began. I'm sorry. I am through now. Okay. We define PC as more general computing device with sorry with these characters. First, the same for use by one person at a time. Two, that's an operating system interface between the users and the microprocessor. With I can say microprocessor is semiconductor. Three has contain common internet component described in this article. I mean, PowerPoint, like the CPU or central processing unit and random access memory. I'm sorry, I just will. 4. Large software application designed for specific work or play activities. And 5. Allow for adding and removing hardware or software as need. Next, okay. If you know about interesting fact about the PC, I can explain first. Who invented the first computer? A man named Ed Roberts started selling computer kit based on the microprocessor chip, or I can say semiconductor, designed by Intel in 1917. He called his computer the Atari 8800 and sold unassembly kit for uh, three $395, while The Atari XX00 was the first little personal computer, or the PC. It was the release of the Apple II that made the PC as sought after the device. 2. What is the personal computer, or the PC? The personal computer, or the PC, is a general computer device with the microprocessor. I can mean as the semiconductor is typically designed for use for one person at a time and runs an operating system to interface between the users and microprocessor. Its cost size and capability make it possible for the individual, or I mean company maybe, to own and use. Uh, Next, uh, this is hardware. Hardware is a collective term that used to describe any the physical component of the analog digital computer. The term hardware discussion the tangible aspect of the computer device from software, which consists of the wide machinable instruction or program that tell physical component what to do when and when to execute the instruction. Next, computer hardware can be categorized as being either internal or external components. Generally, internal hardware components are those necessary for the proper function of the computer, while external hardware components are attached to computer to add or adjust the functionality. Just like monitor. Next, uh, internal hardware. Uh, Internal component collectively process or store instructions that vary by the program or operating system or OS. This includes the following. First, motherboard. This is print or circuit board that hosts the central processing unit or the CPU and other essential internal hardware and function as the central hub that all other hardware components are stored. Second, the CPU. The central processing unit is the brain of the computer. Thus, it process and execute digital instruction from the various program. Its clock speed determines the computer performance and efficiency in processing data. RAM. Random access memory or dynamic RAM is temporary memory storage that make information immediately accessible to the program. RAM is a volatile memory, so store data is clear when the computer powers off. Hard drive. Hard disk drive are basically storage device like HDD or SSD that stores both permanent and temporary data in different formats, including programs, OS, device, device file, photo, video, and each other. General Processing Unit, or I can say GPU. This digit-based device processes the graphic data and often function as the extension to main CPU. Last, the network interface card, or NIC. NIC is the circuit board or the chip that enables the computer to connect to the network, also known as the network adapter or local area network or LAN adapter. It typically support connection or internet network. Other computing components, if you see this about this chart, this is just like as USB port, power supply, transistor, chip, and also types of the internal hardware. Just like you can see this chart in the hard drive or so. software and disorder. Okay. External hardware. External hardware components, also the core prepared component, also those items that are often externally connected to the computer to control either the input or output function. These hardware devices are designed to either provide instruction to the software or input or render result from is execute or output. First, MOS. MOS is the hand pointed device that moves cursor allow the computer screen and enables interaction with the object on the screen. It might be wired or wireless. Second, the keyboard. Keyboard is an input device featuring a standard QWERTY key set that enables users to input text, numbers, or special characters. Microphone. Microphone is the device that transmits sound wave to electric signal and support computer-based audio communication. Fourth, camera. Camera capture visual image and stream then the computer or through computer to network device. Touchpad. Touchpad is the input device externally or put into the laptop. Use the control the pointer on the display screen. It is typically an alternative or the external mouse. Monitor. Monitor is a output device similar to a TV screen if you about the TV like that that is display information document or image generating by the computing device. The last is a printer. Printer render electronic data from the computer into the print materials. Okay, about so other input hardware components include the joysticks, trailers, scanner, and each others is the external hardware. So easy conclusion is computer hardware from the backbone of modern technology, from the power CPU processing, complex tasks, and to the like device, storage, capability of the SSD or HDD, and the graphic rendering pro- prowess of the GPU is the component plays a vital role as the technology continues to advance. I'm sorry. Advance the need more powerful, efficiency, or reliable computer hardware will become increasing and efficient. By the steady information about the last development, we can better appreciate an amazing capability of the technology we use every day. Alright, so that's all the materials that was definitely previously. I apologize. Previously, I was cooking and I thought the one shot video, if maybe, so that you all can understand what was definitely or I can what I said to you. I hope you are always healthy. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe in this video and see you later. Bye.